Learning how to effectively interact with ChatGPT as a programmer can greatly enhance your productivity and problem-solving abilities. Here are some key points to consider. First, understanding commands and responses. As a programmer, familiarize yourself with how ChatGPT interprets commands and generates responses. ChatGPT works by analyzing the text you provide and generating relevant answers based on its training data. It's essential to frame your questions or prompt clearly and concisely. For example, instead of asking vague questions like how can I improve my code, try to be more specific, such as what are the optimization techniques for reducing runtime in Java. Utilizing technical jargons and contexts. Make use of technical language and context when communicating with ChatGPT. This helps in getting more accurate and detailed responses. When discussing programming languages, algorithms, or software development frameworks, use the terms that are specific to your field. ChatGPT is trained on a wide range of topics, including programming languages like Python, JavaScript, and Java, as well as concepts like data structures and APIs. Third thing is iterative learning and feedback. Approach ChatGPT interactions as iterative learning experiences. Start with broad questions to gauge its understanding, and then refine your queries based on the responses received. If the initial response isn't quite what you are looking for, provide additional context or rephrase your question to guide ChatGPT towards more relevant answer. This process helps in refining your communication strategy with the model over time, making interaction more productive. Fourth one, exploring advanced features and customization. Explore advanced features and customization options available with ChatGPT. Platforms that integrate ChatGPT often offer features like plugins, APIs, or custom prompts that can enhance its functionality for specific programming tasks. For instance, you can integrate ChatGPT in your development environment using APIs to automate certain tasks or generate code snippets. Understanding these features can significantly boost your efficiency as a programmer. By mastering these points, you can effectively harness the capabilities of ChatGPT to assist you in various programming tasks, from debugging code snippets to exploring new technologies. Remember, the key lies in clear communication, leveraging technical knowledge, adapting based on feedback, and exploring advanced functionalities to optimize your workflow.